Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy rice dish. It has beef and black beans in it. We're going to start by chopping up one small onion. And while you're cutting up that onion, you're going to want to turn your Instant Pot to the saute setting. And once it says hot, you can add in a pound of ground beef. I'm using 90-10 lean ground beef today, letting that get a little bit brown and then adding in the onion. Stir that in and let that cook together just for, 3 or 4 minutes. Adding in a tablespoon of hot sauce, a teaspoon of cumin, some salt, and then 1 1/2 cups of water. Scraping the bottom of the pot so that nothing will stick. And then adding in 1 1/2 teaspoons of better than bouillon beef base. That's a heaping cup of converted rice that I'm adding in. Don't stir it in, just sprinkle it on the top. Then add in black beans, a can that I've rinsed and drained, as well as a can of enchilada sauce. Now I'm going to cover the pot with the lid and lock it into place, and I'm going to pressure cook for 5 minutes. I'm going to let it sit for 10, and then I'm going to finally remove any remaining pressure and remove the lid. Give it a good stir. Make sure everything's combined in there. And then we're going to add in some cheese. I'm adding in a cup. I'm going to add in half now. Stir it in. And then I'll sprinkle half of it over the top. And just put the lid back on just for 5 more minutes. Keep it on the keep warm setting, just so that the cheese gets nice and melty. And then it will just melt. We're gonna just release the pressure. It's not really full of pressure, but sometimes it just locks up again. And then you have that nice melty cheese on top, and you can scoop this onto plates and serve. We like to have diced tomatoes, cilantro, and a dollop of sour cream on top of it. Maybe some avocado slices would be good too. Enjoy this meal. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.